started off, my brother and I were tinkering with everything, we could get our hands on, young farm kids.
The first vehicle that my brother and I modified at a young age was a go-kart that's in the picture behind us. That was something that we got from our cousin, and playing around with that at an early age got us excited about all things motorsports. We took the tiller engine off my grandpa's tiller and put on the go-kart. I was probably 8 or 9. But that went from a 3-horse engine to a 5-horse engine, so that was a big upgrade for us.
In terms of what started this company, we started modifying the turbochargers, and I did all of that work by hand. We modified the turbo to accept a larger compressor wheel and turbine wheel. We upgraded the bearings and parts from other turbos and smashed it together into what we call today the Cheetah Turbo. We specialize in problem solver parts, so anything that is an OEM problem, doesn't really matter which make or model. If it's on the vehicle, we make it. First machine, Mazak machine we brought in was an i350. This gantry fed machine, it was our first foray into automation. We bought it because, well, one, we knew that it would make the parts that we need to make, but adding the gantry to it lets us run lights out, lets us run into the night. Our product volumes are so high that across those 600 SKUs, we have to figure out a way to make more of them.
In 2012, they had moved from North Salem, the pole barn in North Salem, to a 6,000 square foot facility in Brownsburg. We went from 6,000 square feet and then eventually took over that entire building by 2019 before we moved out, which was, that entire building was 25,000 square feet. 2019, we finished the construction of this building, which is about 60,000 square feet on the floor, 15,000 square feet of mezzanine, so about 75,000 square foot in total. And moving in, it was like, man, how are we gonna fill this thing up? And very quickly, within the first couple of years, it filled up fast.
Fleece Performance has grown 25 to 30% year over year since we've been in business. Now, at year 18, going 30% year over year growth, people want to know, how do you do that? And a lot of that is in the vertical integration that you see behind us. We make more parts than any other manufacturer in our space.
Freedom Racing Engines was a company that we purchased back in 2012. The company was already under ownership from a guy named Al Robbins and Greg Yossi. They specialized in repairing top fuel engine blocks and doing sprint car and midget engines. We took what they were already very good at and grafted it over into the diesel industry, and that was something we were able to grow and excel with and brought us to where we are today.
The test garage has been a huge part of our company. In fact, I would consider this to be one of the core functions of the business. Our goal is always to develop products, test in real time, and really be as quick to market as possible with the mindset of creating the most elegant and sophisticated solution to whatever problem we're trying to solve.
The multiplex behind me has a gantry on it. The Integrex has a gantry. We have a bar-fed Integrex right here, and then we have a 6800 and an i630V that is in a Palatech system, 24 pallet positions, and then we have I think it's 24 pallet position right now with our 2 HCN 5000s. And Mazak offers a lot of options in terms of tool magazines, and every machine that we've ordered has been pretty much the maximum size tool magazines, 160, 240 tools. I mean, we've got an i630V, which is a very large machine, HSK 100 with 240 tools in it. That's going to allow us to have backup tools. It's going to allow us to run medium volume, high mix, even across engine blocks.
When we look at the business in general, we approach it from 3 different angles: the people, the process, and the product, right? You've obviously got to have a good product to support any business. When we can help solve a problem for a customer, that's really when our products are very successful. Moving into the people side of things. The reason why we are where we're at is because of the people in our business. Although we've created good products, we have to have a process in order to duplicate and replicate that over and over and over again. The machines that we purchase, the tools that we implement, the work instructions, making sure that the process is always creating the quality that our customers have come to expect.
Our last name is in the name of our business, Fleece Performance Engineering. When you see Fleece on the box, it's our name, so we don't want to tarnish our name. We recognize that there's quality in everything we do, down to the packaging, to ensure that the product is, arrives to you safely. But when you open that box, you need to want to pull that part out and be like, wow, look at the quality of this thing. These guys really care about what they're doing. We want to solve the problem elegantly, make it available to people for an affordable price.